If you trade derivatives, you'll hear about the ISDA Agreement. Let's demystify this complex document in simple terms. ISDA stands for the International Swaps and Derivatives Association. It is the global standard for private financial contracts. The total value of derivatives globally is measured in the quadrillions of dollars, making a universal contract structure essential for market stability. The agreement acts as a legal skeleton for trades. It handles netting, which simplifies payments and sets clear rules if a counterparty defaults. Unlike a simple one-off contract, an ISDA agreement is a master framework that covers every trade between two parties over many years. By netting trades together, the ISDA agreement significantly lowers the capital firms need to hold, effectively reducing systemic risk in the financial system. Think of it as the plumbing of the financial world. It stays hidden until there is a crisis, ensuring everyone knows their legal standing. Understanding these frameworks helps you see how global markets function. Subscribe for more deep dives into complex financial systems.